Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist Mackenzie Bart. We have a few storms that we're watching out for this evening, and this is going to kick off a pretty stormy and rainy pattern as we get into the next few days. But we've been wishing and wanting for the rain, and we do have a better opportunity to see it as we head into the end of the week and even the upcoming weekend. Now, we're seeing a lot of thunderstorms across our region, but the severe risk really remains to our south. You can see severe thunderstorm watches mainly south of our area around Cincinnati and parts of Kentucky and West Virginia, and that's where we're expecting a bulk of the severe weather. Now, we could have a stronger thunderstorm or two move in as we head into the next few hours, but now that we're starting to get past sunset time and as this moves into our environment, that threat will become few and far between. I'd say by midnight, we're really just expecting maybe a lingering thunderstorm or two, but generally just plain old rain. Still a lot of lightning packed with a few of the systems that we're seeing. These are all moving in from the west. We have systems moving into northern Richland County and parts of Ashland County, even a stronger thunderstorm just south of the southern end of Richland County as well, so closer to Bellevue. These are all moving off to the east, so nice little thunderstorm there. Again, nothing severe as of the moment, but you can expect a good downpour. Could get a good inch out of some of these showers, especially depending on how fast they move. Also a thunderstorm just close to the Shelby area. Again, that will mainly move off to the south and east the next couple of moments. So moving into Mansfield, probably closer to 8:30, expecting some of that rain. Starting to see a few showers move into the southern end of Lorain County. Right now, no lightning embedded in any of those heavier raindrops, maybe some distant thunder, but not seeing any lightning with that. But look at this system as we continue taking you farther south along 71. That's where we have a better threat of some of those stronger storms. Taking you closer to parts of Dayton, a lot of lightning, even some hail embedded in a few of those thunderstorms there. Actually, it's a good idea. Let's turn on our hail tracker to see if we're seeing, and we are seeing a little bit of hail embedded in a few thunderstorms. So far, it looks like it's kind of on the smaller end. Bucyrus is seeing a good amount of some heavier rain, a good thunderstorm, and the possibility of some hail. We are expecting this to move into and closer to 71 as we get closer to 9 and even 10 o'clock tonight, before that continues to move east, passing 71 across the area. Here's a look at our moving radar. Again, a lot of these thunderstorms kind of creeping off to the east, some of them moving in from the south, so those will slowly move just north, but the bulk of them will continue to creep east closer to 71. Closer to the lakeshore you are, I think the quieter conditions, the rain will become a little bit more scattered. Heavier rainfall and some stronger thunderstorms are expected a bit closer to US 30 and south of that. So the counties we're going to be watching out for tonight going to be Richland, Ashland, Wayne County, Stark County, and then even some parts of Carroll County, Tuscarawas County, Holmes County as well. So those are the areas that could probably get a stronger thunderstorm or two. Again, nothing severe right now, but we are seeing some thunderstorms with some gusty conditions, and that's just what we'll see as we head into the next few hours. Main concern with any storms that we see is going to be heavy rain and then also wind gusts. We could see some pretty gusty conditions with some of these storms. Slight risk, again, mainly south of US 30. That's where we're watching out for some of the storms as we get into the later part of the night. And we'll take another look at the radar here in just a little bit. Let's take you through our weather today. Temperatures 93 today. We hit 92 yesterday. It was another warm and muggy day, and we will continue that muggy feeling as we head into the rest of the week and into the weekend. We'll get a little bit of a break when it comes to the humid air Sunday, but we're getting right back into that warm, sticky air as we get into next week too. It's really not going to be until the end of next week and next weekend when we finally start to see a break from the higher humidity and our steamy temperatures. By 10 o'clock tonight, we'll see a lot of the showers and thunderstorms right along 71, starting to push east of that, moving into Stark, Summit County, and then those will push east as we take you into the overnight. Again, losing a lot of intensity once we get past midnight, but do expect some rain around for the morning commute, especially parts of Ashtabula, Trumbull County, Tuscarawas County, Carroll County. We'll see a few lingering showers as you head out the door tomorrow. And then the rain tomorrow is going to be pretty on or off, so not a total washout start to finish, but we are expecting spotty showers pretty much all day long. A few thunderstorms as we get into the second half of the day. A few of those could be on the strong side, but again, not expecting anything severe. And that will continue into early Saturday. Pretty spotty in the morning, and then that system will push east by the afternoon and evening. So once we get past, I'd say 6 o'clock, we are expecting drier conditions. So not a total washout of a weekend, but I will say Sunday's probably going to be the pick day, as we are expecting quiet conditions from start to finish. With the rain moving into the area, especially as we head into the weekend, a lot of places could get anywhere from 1 inch to maybe 2 inches of rainfall, especially if you line up with one of those thunderstorms. So rest of the night, we'll continue tracking showers and storms. Main concerns we're looking at will be windy conditions, as well as some heavy rainfall, which we do need. Staying warm and muggy. And then tomorrow, mid-80s, we'll have on and off showers and a few thunderstorms through the day. Nothing severe, but could have a stronger storm. Staying humid, and it'll stay pretty humid through the weekend. Saturday, definitely. We'll get a little bit of a break on Sunday. Looking drier on Sunday, too. And next week's looking pretty quiet. Another system will move in Tuesday into Wednesday. That'll drop our temperatures from the mid-80s to the low 80s and even upper 70s as we get into next week. So a little bit more comfortable by next week. Before we leave, let's take another look at the radar to show you some of the storms that we're tracking tonight. Main threats with these storms: windy conditions, also some very heavy rain, especially with how kind of slow these are moving, piling rain on top of rain as these continue to push closer to 71 right now. So again, this looks like parts of southern Huron County, just mainly showers, northern parts of Richland County, a few thunderstorms closer to Shelby. That'll continue moving into parts of northern Ashland County, and I'd say closer to about 9 o'clock, we'll start to see that move into parts of Medina County. So Medina County is pretty quiet right now. Wayne County's quiet. Maybe closer to 9, almost 10 o'clock, we'll start to see that move into Wayne County. And then that'll continue spreading east. Our areas east of 71 are dry right now, even stretching up through Ashtabula, but we have a better chance for those showers and storms to move in, I'd say by 10, 11 o'clock tonight, and those will continue moving east through the overnight. So we are going to get some rain, some much needed rain across the area. I know we don't like the thunderstorms, but unfortunately it does come with the territory. So we'll keep monitoring these. We'll be on at 10 o'clock tonight with another look at the radar, talking about how much rain we're expecting as we get ever so close to the weekend. You can always find the latest forecast at fox8.com underneath the forecast discussion. Have a great night.